Welcome to the St. Paul's Student Email Getting Started Guide. This guide will walk you through how to set up your new @gocrusaders.ca email address. The first thing you're going to do is open up a browser and go to mail.gocrusaders.ca. That will get you to the login window of the new email system. Next thing you're going to do is put in your @gocrusaders.ca user ID and your temporary password that was given to you. Once logged in here, you'll notice that it's going to ask you to verify some information, change your password, and select an alternate email address. That will allow you to change your password if you should forget it. So the first thing you're going to do is verify your current email password. And then you will select a new password. You'll notice that there's a password strength meter that shows you how strong your password is. You should choose something that's a strong password. You can do this by simply adding a special character, such as an ampersand or an @ symbol, a pound sign. That will usually get you to the strong level. Select a secret question and answer so that you can retrieve a password if you should need to, and add an alternate email address, another email address, a personal one that you may use, so that when you do reset your password, it will go to that email address. It's going to ask you for a little more information down below. Select country or province, put in a postal code, and your date of birth or your year of birth. It's going to ask you to sign in with your new credentials. So you'll put in your Windows Live ID, your @gocrusaders.ca user ID, and your new password. It's going to ask you to change your time zone. We'll select Central Time. And just press OK. This will get you into the email system. A lot of you have used Outlook before, would recognize the format here. This webmail is powered by Outlook 2010, which is Microsoft's new version that is coming out in Q1 of 2010. So you'll notice that you can change your password by going into the options. Since you've already done that, if you need to do it again, you know where to go. Some other things that you can do is create inbox rules to filter your mail, automatic replies and delivery reports, some other general mail settings, adding a signature to the bottom of your email addresses or your emails, spell checking, calendar settings, and some other settings. Here you can set up a mobile phone. If you had an iPhone which has Exchange Active Sync, you can set up your iPhone to get your mail. As well, text messaging. You can set up your phone so that you can receive text messages. If you have calendar events and if you have new emails, it will send you a text message to your phone. And a block allow settings for junk email. If you would like to forward email from this account to another account, you would set up a rule, and you would create a new rule for arriving messages. You would select Apply to All Messages, and you would redirect the message. And then you would simply add the email address that you want to redirect your messages to. You'll now notice that all your incoming mail will be redirected to the email address that you put in there. So the next thing you're going to do is test out doing a new email. So you'll go to New. If you click on the To button, you'll notice that all the users are listed in the global address list. So if you're looking for another student, you simply just search out their name. And to add them, you would just double click on it. And you'll notice below it adds it to the To line. Just press OK. Type your email as normal and send. And you'll notice in the sent items that item has been sent. You notice some other features are a calendar. You can have in different views so you can keep track of things going on. You can also share your calendar with other users if you wish. You can add personal contacts to your personal contact list, as well as adding tasks. Once you're done, you just log out, and it will redirect you right back to the St. Paul's community homepage. That pretty much wraps up the Getting Started guide with the new email. If you should have any problems, you can come see me, Mr. Morello, at the Holland Lab in my office, or email me at mailadmin@gocrusaders.ca.